everyone. For you who are new here, my name is Bernie and I will be doing a review on the Triple Push collection in the style Teddy. I've practiced on this, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you are notified when I post a new video. So I am also going to start putting eyeliner, and I will put like a side-by-side picture of what they look like without eyeliner and then what they look like with eyeliner, because eyeliner enhances everything and it makes a difference. So I'll be doing that on this video moving forward. So this is kind of like a far away view of the lashes, and then I'll do a close-up also. So here's a close-up. Okay, so these are like so cute. So cute. They are so for going out, but we can't. But just putting it out there. If by any chance, just any chance, you're wondering how I put my eyelashes on, you can click this link right here so you can see how I put my eyelashes underneath my eyelid. Now, if you put them on top, I am sure that these will probably be slightly longer, because I put mine underneath my eyelid. So if you are one of those people who put your eyelashes underneath your eyelid, you would know that thick band lashes are pretty hard to put on underneath your eyelid, only because they are thick and they are bothersome. Now, when I was putting on these lashes, they're just heavy. So the glue, you really have to wait for it to get slightly tacky. So you would have to blow on it and then start putting them on, because it just takes a while for it to dry for some reason. Well, because they're thick. So I'll be giving you guys like side by side, like down here somewhere, of with eyeliner and without. Okay, so I literally just did it super quick, so hopefully they don't look too bad. So this is what they look like with eyeliner. So these definitely make a difference. Not a big one, but enough to just put eyeliner on, you know. But these are super cute with eyeliner. Even with it without, like, you technically don't need it, but eyeliner always adds that oomph to just the look, your look, you know. Here is gonna be the side-by-side picture of without eyeliner and with eyeliners. I'm definitely gonna go get a second pair, and you can get these online, so I'll put the link in the description below. So that's it for this review. I highly recommend these. They're super cute, as you can tell. I mean, they just bring the oomph to yourself. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Like, share, put those notifications on so you know when I post, you know, and see you guys next time. Bye.